Hello. This video is for the Nerf War, the clone cookie. The blooper video somehow got deleted, so there will be no blooper video, even though it is in the end of the clone cookie film. I'm very sorry for this, but I am trying to, maybe I'm gonna make another Nerf War today, and maybe I'm working on a school vlog episode, thing, because I took my camera, took it to school, and I filmed a little bit. So I don't really know if I'm gonna do it, but I'm trying to make it. If even I don't even know if I have good scenes or something. I don't know, but maybe another Nerf War. But enjoy right now what it is. So yeah, thanks.